Hi guys, welcome to the training sessions on the Splunk Administration course. My name is Mohammed and I'll be the trainer for the whole training sessions. So in this training session, I'm going to teach you the Splunk Administration, which is divided into two parts. The first part is the Splunk Enterprise System Administration and the second one is the Splunk Enterprise Data Administration. So moving on, in layman language, if I say in Splunk Enterprise System Administration, at a high level, the person needs to understand how to manage all these Splunk components, the forwarders, the deployment search server, the search head, indexers, so the management layer. And in the Splunk Enterprise Data Administration syllabus, we are going to see at a high level, we are going to understand the data onboarding and the forwarder management part. Okay, this is the main high level things that we are going to see. And before moving on to the main syllabus, let me tell you that this course is a perfect blend of both theoretical as well as the practical knowledge that is required. Okay, this is the main thing. You need theoretical as well as the practical knowledge. So before moving on to the main syllabus, let me just show you the labs that we are going to cover in this training sessions. These all are the hands-on lab that are self-configurable. You guys can configure on your own. What you need, you just need a free AWS or Azure account that you can also create it. So I'll be guiding you throughout the course how to create your account, how to launch the instance, how to create your lab, how to perform everything. Everything is there in this course, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so first thing is you can see in the system administration part. We'll be moving on to the syllabus as well, but I'm just telling you the labs that are there. So I'll be guiding you how to set up your free AWS account and also how to launch an instance. Parallelly, I'm also shortly going to launch the Azure free account setup and the launch instance. Then you are going to see the then you are going to install the Linux. Then you are going to install the Splunk on your Linux box that you are going to launch on the AWS. Then if you are launching a Windows box, then you can also set up your log accordingly. Then I'll be guiding you how to install an app on the Splunk. Okay, there are different kind of apps that you can install and that you can use. Then the lab on the index creation, I'll be guiding you how to create an index. Then we are going to create users on the Splunk. Okay, I'm also guiding you how to request a license from the Splunk, or developer small license, and how to upload it into the Splunk. Then we will be playing with the btool command that is there in the Splunk. Okay, then in the data administration course, we are going to ingest some sample data into the Splunk and then play with it. Okay, and then the most important you can say the lab, that is configuring the forwarder, indexer and searcher, and then we are going to onboard the Linux box logs. Okay, then we are going to do a lab on the parsing, where we are going to configure the line breaking. So this is the parsing part, most important concept. And also we are going to see the time field extraction. Okay, then we are going to mask the raw data. Again, all these are lab, guys. Okay, then we are going to see another onboarding method, that is the HTTP event collector. Through this we are going to see, and will also be pushing some data into the Splunk through this method. Then we have the API integration onboarding method with Splunk. Okay, this is also there. Again, one more method, that is configuring scripted input. So people only think that there is a universal forwarder that only can onboard the data. We have other ways as well. All these are labs. Okay, then we are going to configure. The important thing is there is a lab on the Splunk with the Active Directory server integration. Okay, we can do this lab as well. Again, everything is practically possible. You can do it. I'll be guiding you through the course. In the first lab, I'm going to tell you how to set up your Windows AD server in the cloud. Okay, on AWS, you will be setting your own Windows AD server. I'll be guiding you. Then we are going to integrate that AD server with the Splunk. Okay, then we will be managing the universal forwarder through the deployment server, again lab. And I'm also shortly going to create a small video on the Cisco router log parsing and also configuring the multi-factor authentication. So these all are the important labs that you can do on your own in this sessions or in this training videos. Okay, this is the important thing. The next question probably you will be before moving on to the syllabus, the next question probably is why to join this course. This is the most important question. The first thing is this course that I have created is a top-notch course, and I have taken care of each and every lab, each and every concept, so that you understand the whole Splunk administration. Okay. Second thing is, you will be learning on your self pace. Whenever you have time, you log into your account and just do the labs, do the learnings accordingly. Okay. Third thing is, all the labs are self configurable. I have shown you, I think it is more than what I can say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 20, more than 20 labs are there. All of them are self configurable. You guys can do it on your own. I'll be guiding you. And fourth thing is, you don't need anything. You just need an AWS account or an Azure account on the cloud to get started with the labs. Labs are more important in this Splunk administration course. Okay. And fifth thing is, so I have a total of 7 years of experience in the IT industry. I have worked across different domains, across different tools. I'm also a corporate trainer for more than 3 years, and also attached with reputed training institutes and teaching Splunk, ArcSight and SecureNix. So that's all. One more thing, so if you are planning to join any other course or any other training institutes, please do ask whether they will be helping you out with these labs, whether they are giving you each and every lab that I'm giving you here. Okay. So with that, let's move on to this syllabus. So in the Splunk system admin, so Splunk administration is divided into two parts: the system administration and the data administration. So we are going firstly seeing the system administration syllabus. So in this, there are around 9 modules. The first one is the Splunk deployment overview, where we are going to deploy the Splunk. Okay, then there is license management, where we are going to see the different license type and also add or remove license from the Splunk. Then module 3, Splunk apps, where we are going to see how to install an app on the Splunk and how to manage it. In module 4, we are going to see the different kind of configuration files on the Splunk and its directory structure. Splunk indexes, how to create a Splunk indexes, how to delete a index, and how to identify different types of bucket. Then there is Splunk index management, where we will be digging deeper into the different kind of conf files, or how you can play with the parameters on the index. Then module 7, Splunk index user management. So we will be, Splunk user management, where we will be seeing the native authentication as well as Windows AD authentication. Okay, configuring basic forwarding. So we will be seeing the basic things on the Splunk, how the data gets forwarded, and then the distributed search and the Splunk diag. Okay, so that's all on the system administration. Again, there are attached more than 8+ labs with the system administration course. Moving on to the next part, so that is the Splunk Enterprise Data Administration syllabus. So this is mainly about onboarding data and managing it. Okay, so in module, again there are around 12 modules. So we are going to introduce you to the Splunk data administration concept, the difference between the data admin and the system admin. Then in module 2, getting data into the Splunk, all the 4 phases will be explained to you, and the metadata, how the data travels inside the Splunk. Then we are going to see the forwarder configuration, the important files, the additional parameters, the acknowledgement parameters if data not sent. Okay, and then we are going to see the heavy forwarder configuration, how it is configured, and also the deployment server in this module 4. Then there is module 5, where I'll be explaining you the monitor inputs. Then we have module 6, network and scripted input, where we are going to see the TCP, and I'll be explaining you how data gets onboarded from the TCP and UDP ports, and also the scripted inputs. Then we are going for the agentless input, that is the HTTP event collector. And one more important thing, a bonus lab is there for the API integration. Okay, and then we will be understanding some fine-tuning concepts in module 8. Then in module 9, we are going to see some parsing, how the data gets parsed, how the lines get breaks and all. Then in manipulating raw data, we are going to see how to mask the data, how to manipulate it, and how to, you can say, delete it. Then supporting knowledge objects, so we'll be understanding how an orphan knowledge object looks like and what it is. And in the last, the Splunk diag. So that's all, guys. This is one of the you can say top-notch syllabus I have created based on my experience. Everything is there, all the labs are there. I'll be seeing you in the training sessions. Bye bye.